In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a training presentation with Genspark AI slides. By the end, you'll have a clear, polished deck ready for your learners, and you'll know exactly how to guide the AI so it works for you. Start by opening Genspark and signing in to your account. Make sure you're fully logged in so your work saves to the right place and you have access to all your tools. If you've used Genspark before, your dashboard should load right away, showing your recent projects and creation options. From the dashboard, head straight to AI slides. This is the space designed for building presentations with AI assistance so you can move quickly without sacrificing structure or clarity. Now, enter three essentials: your training topic, your audience, and your learning goal. Keep the topic focused, like new hire security basics rather than something too broad. Describe your audience in practical terms: job role, familiarity with the subject, and what they need to do with the information. For the learning goal, use clear action verbs such as identify, explain, or apply so the AI aims the content at real outcomes, not just information. Next, ask Genspark to create a presentation based on your training outline. If you already have an outline, reference the main sections and key takeaways so the AI can mirror your structure. The more concrete your guidance, the better the first draft will match your plan. You can also suggest a target slide count or tone if that helps the AI shape the deck to your context. When the deck is generated, review the slide flow from start to finish. Check that the introduction sets purpose and expectations, the middle builds skills or knowledge in logical steps, and the closing reinforces key points or next actions. Make sure every objective appears somewhere in the content and that nothing critical is missing or duplicated. Now, edit the slides to make them yours. Add real examples from your workplace, short exercises or reflection prompts, and any company specific details such as terminology, processes, or visual branding. Swap generic phrasing for the exact language your learners use. Keep slides readable, concise headings, supportive visuals, and minimal clutter. Aim for one clear idea per slide so your audience stays focused. Finally, save or export the completed training presentation. Choose the format your team needs, whether that's keeping it in Genspark, exporting to a slideshow file, or creating a PDF, and name the file clearly for easy sharing. That's it. You've built a structured, tailored training presentation with Genspark AI slides ready to deliver.